What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Krisey coming back to you again with another freaking video. I'm with Bay and we're on the road. Where are we going? What are we doing? Yeah, at the moment I have to complete my current goal. You know what? I will talk about this in a separate video. I'm not going to talk about it right now. But what we're doing is not illegal, but it's more like a necessity. Right, babe?
So I brought this up over there. And the bamboo.
Careful, babe. This is electrical wire. Nobody should be driving on top of that wire, huh?
Oh, the power is off. Okay.
Also, when power off, that won't affect the car.
Car?
Yeah. Well, that's electrical wire. We just went over.
There's no electricity in the wire. How can it affect anything?
Okay. Yo, coming back, please don't take this road. Huh? Coming back, don't take this road.
Well, the highway is for drag from.
I don't care. Take the highway. When we reach, we reach.
And then the road wait again, man. I have to go like a ball.
Fine, whatever. Take this road then. You see how difficult my boyfriend is, you guys? Like, we are... Holy shit. That's a nice piece of bamboo that I like to take home with me for clothing. Huh?
Oh, I'm thinking you're talking about that.
No, I'm talking about like to catch up the clothing. Nice piece of bamboo. When we come back, I should get one bamboo, babe. I'll hold it.
Really, yeah, the business.
People will be like, what the fuck? Where did this foreign girl? I really wish the government would seriously fix the roads. What is this, a PNP road? That's why they don't want to fix the road. Yeah, JLP and power, but oh no, they don't want to fix this road.
They just win the election the other day. Let's see. We have 4 years to do this.
But somebody said, oh, why you don't see certain roads fixed because of JLP is because it's PNP road. So when PNP and then power, they're supposed to fix the road. Oh, then what kind of fuckery?
They must say, weren't you watching that meme the other night when the boss say, yo, I'm not from a patrol, I Porsche patrol.
Yes.
Don't talk to me about it.
Where you live, you're just lucky. But one more storm, I tell you, you're not gonna have no light gone. GPS can't even help you. GPS? Oh, please. If anybody calls GPS right now, it's going straight to voicemail. They don't even want to hear it. Probably like Monday parade. Monday parade.
Am I getting it? Oh yeah. So the trees held up by held up by branches also.
This is my mom's area. I can't say like what this area is called. I'm not stopping in this area today. In the week I'll show you guys more of the area, but right now we're on a mission. Well, this is the bumblebee. Wait, how do I call it? CRV bumblebee? Oh, sorry, the formula. It's sexy though. Mind you pop off the man door. Wow.
How much do you have?
And the face behind it is him. Introduce yourself and your business.
I don't know. A formula boss. Me not. A formula boss, you know.
Okay, and where can they find you?
Nigga 6 rapper. Formula house.
See the IG. At graphics. Where IG go again?
Oh, the IG. Remember my IG account. Graphics underscore Nelson.
Okay. I'm gonna make sure I put his link inside my description box. So if your car needs to be custom, and if you're willing to travel, then come to Hanover. Oh, all right, we're getting a tour.
Kind of dusty, you know, still in our work.
You don't know.
Wow.
Boss, my machine, no, brother. Lock. Man, want to tear off the strip. No, let go the body.
Oh, but see code. Not clear.
Nah, man, you lock. See, you lock the padlock.
You see, you can't make him drive your car.
Man, want to take up my strip.
Wow. Look at that. Yeah, so as I said, if you need work done to your car, this is him.
Yeah.
Hanover. Are you willing to travel?
Of course.
He can go anywhere. Kingston.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Clean go watch you.
Shut up. It's nice.
Custom, bro.
Okay, I'm in Lucy right now. You can't see me talking because I have the mask over my face. Yeah, so right now I'm just in Lucy buying up a few things. No face, no case. Right now. Literally. And yeah. Lucy is just a town where everybody come and shop and, you know. So I'm going to take you around with me. You good? Oh. Them have what me want. Settings. You know, like.